Hey everyone. If there were a prize for the worst electrical job ever, I think this house would win it. So, um, I took this all apart. I'm going to show you all these outdoor outlets and just how bad they were. So, for starters, we had a horizontal cover installed vertically. It was a non-GFCI outlet. It was in a metal box. The metal box was over on the right hand end of that hole there, so it didn't line up with the cutout. And this outlet was just screwed to the plastic with some drywall screws. And these connections are pretty rough looking. So that's one outlet. Let's go show you number two. This one down here, it actually had a proper horizontal cover installed horizontally, so that was good. It actually was a GFCI outlet, that was good. The box was extremely corroded. One of the screws for the outlets broke off when I tried to remove it. The two screws into the wood weren't actually fastened to anything, but this thing was glued like crazy into the wall. I had a heck of a time trying to remove the box. Very well caulked, and that caulk held really well. So this one was almost done right, but I'll show you some weirdness how they tried to mount it in the basement. And originally both of those outlets worked when I had everything connected. So then there's this one. Again, we have a horizontal cover installed vertically, so water can go right in. And this one, it was missing the neutral. It had hot but no neutral, if I recall correctly, according to my tester. So this outlet never worked. So let me go into the basement and show you some fun. Alright, so this is on the corner outlet that had the GFCI on it. They installed this wood blocking haphazardly. That hole you see about a foot up is the hole where the wire came through. But I don't know if the screws weren't long enough or what, but they weren't actually engaging into that wood, so that piece of wood was kind of pointless. Alright, and this one here is the outdoor front outlet that wasn't working. And this box was originally up there, and I figured the outlet was on the other side of it. I noticed the box was a little loose, but then this box pops down, and there's a junction, and those wires go off at a angle that direction. So clearly that outlet's not in a box either, and it's probably just screwed to the faceplate. So let's go out there and take it apart. The power's already off, and my goal is to disconnect that outlet completely and figure out how to deal with it another time. So I'll be right back. Alright, so let's take this outlet apart together and see what horrors lie inside. Said the power's already off, but this is a circuit that I was using, so I do need to reconnect things. Oh, there's actually a mounting box of sorts in here. There's one screw that is Phillips that isn't even used, and the rest are all flathead. And this one, they snipped off the wire. I don't get some of the things they did here. Actually, I don't even need to do this. I'm gonna... How far in does that go? I'm sure I can fish something back through. I'll go in the basement and disconnect those wire nuts. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went down there, disconnected the wire nuts, pulled that metal box out, reconnected it. So yeah, this outlet is pretty rough, but it was wired correctly, so I'm guessing water just got into this and corroded it, so that's why it had... Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that hot one is loose. Yeah, hot wire is very loose. Neutral is just, I mean, the whole thing is just nasty, so. Alright, well, project for another time is to properly mount an outlet in there and figure out how to wire this in a way that makes sense in the basement. So, alright, thanks for watching, everyone.